They need a bottle? Here's a bottle. What about a pacifier? Does any of them need a pacifier? Wah, wah, wah. Give them a bottle. That's not for you. That's for the baby. Baby doll. Sweet baby.
The baby's here.
Oh. Give her a bottle. You think that's for you? Oh, sweet button nose. And that's Huggums. Her name is Huggums. And that's a baby Huggums. It's empty. No juice, no milk.